Hello friends, and welcome back to Flavors on Madrasa Khan. Wish you a really great day. It's been really long time since I posted a video, and it feels so good to be back with you guys. It feels so good to be back and to be posting videos. And today I have a recipe for you which is called as aloo palak, or it's you can say it's a stir-fry dish of potatoes and spinach. It goes so well. You can just eat it without anything as a snack, or you can eat it with roti, with chapati, puri, anything. It goes well with anything. To make this recipe, I'm taking a wok and I'm taking some vegetable oil, and I've used sunflower oil here, but you can use any vegetable oil of your choice. You can use even mustard oil. Now I have added cumin seeds and carom seeds to this, 1/4 teaspoon of each, on a really low flame. And just as it starts spluttering, I'm going to start adding my spices, with turmeric as being the first one. Just stir it a little bit, so that it doesn't burn, and you spread it out so that it doesn't burn. And then add red chili powder. Next, I've taken one bunch of spinach which I have chopped. I had washed it thoroughly, as you can see in the inset, and I made sure that it is free of all dirt, and I've chopped it really fine. And I'm just going to add it to that oil, and I'm going to keep the lid open, and I'm going to cook it for a couple of minutes. So that what happens is that anything that is not suitable for, like any chlorophyll vapors that's there that's not fit for eating, gets evaporated. So that's really important for at least 2 to 3 minutes, after which you can add your potatoes. And potato and spinach will take the same amount of time to cook down, and the potatoes that I'm using are the ones that I get here in Kuwait, really cook down really fast, as opposed to the ones that we get in India. It takes a bit of time in India, to really need to cook it well. So if you're using in India, then probably you can add the potato before you add the spinach, and then you can make sure that when it's half done, then you add the spinach and then you cook it. But here I'm going to take I have added both of them together because that's the amount of time both of them will take to cook down. And you've seen that I've added salt and black pepper to this. I must tell you that the recipe is available on my website, and I will put the link of that in my description box, so do check it out. Do check out the website. You'll find this recipe and all of my other recipes on my website. Now I had covered it and let it cook for some time, and now I've opened this, and I'm going to kind of saute it for some time. I'm going to let it cook so that the water evaporates, so that it doesn't become really moist, because I like it to be slightly crispy, and you get that crispier taste only if you keep the lid open and cook. So you cover it and cook for a certain amount of time until you feel the potato is almost done, 80% done, and the remaining 20% you keep the lid open and let it cook. So it gives you that really beautiful crispy and nice taste, not soggy and mushy. I don't like that kind of taste. So this is pretty much it, and my potato and spinach stir fry is ready. Aloo palak bhaji is ready. It's a fantastic recipe, very easy, very quick to make, something that I like to do quickly when I come back from work, and it's really difficult to make elaborate dishes. These dishes help you in your day-to-day cooking, and it's really healthy and very nice. Children love it. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and you will let me know in the description box, in the comment section, how did you like it. Try it and let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.